Welcome to Quick Tech News, where we keep you updated in the world of tech without wasting your time. We have a few interesting topics on the agenda, starting off with the iPhone. As pointed out by fellow YouTuber Hugh Jeffreys, the new iPhone 12 seems to be the least repairable iPhone yet. I'll have a link to the original video in the description. This seems to be a stark contrast to Apple's environmental goals, such as reducing e-waste. Yet here it seems like if your iPhone has any hardware issues, your choices are take it to Apple for repair, use it as a paperweight, or recycle it. In a video, Hugh swapped out the logic board and cameras between the two brand new phones he purchased. Apple has a history of pairing components, which makes it harder to replace single components without a device complaining. After completing the swap and rebooting the device, the iPhone started complaining immediately. Face ID would no longer work, and there were battery and display messages. On top of this, the camera no longer functioned correctly either. Next up, it's bad news for anyone who went out and bought a custom PS5 plate from PlateStation. I made a video on them last week and was quite excited about their various different plates. Sony, it seems, were quite a bit less excited. So much so that they have threatened PlateStation with legal action if they were to continue selling the panels. Presumably, Sony also picked a fight with PlateStation's name, because the company has been rebranded to Customize My Plates. But don't worry, they haven't given up. They've now shifted their attention to making custom skins for the PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 5 controllers. Some of these designs look quite nice, others a bit tacky. But I don't know what the products will actually look like. These images seem to just be photoshopped onto the base PlayStation 5 and controllers, so don't expect the skins to look exactly like this. Last but certainly not least, we have a very special PC to talk about. This is the ORION X2 DUAL SYSTEM, made in partnership between Overclockers UK and 8pack. The giant case actually holds two separate systems and holds not one, not two, but three RTX 3090 GPUs. So that's where all those cards went. Clearly a super high-end system. Each GPU is also water-cooled. So the first system comes with an overclocked Intel i9-10980XE 18-core processor and two RTX 3090s connected via NVLink. It also comes with 128GB of RAM, two 2TB Intel NVMe SSDs, and 14TB of Seagate IronWolf storage. That's just the first system. The second system is slightly more modest, but still no slouch. It comes with a Core i7-10700K, 32GB of RAM, another RTX 3090, and the same storage configuration as the first system. The whole system is powered by a 2000 watt special edition Superflower LEED-X power supply, all housed in this custom Fantex case. So, are you ready for the price? This PC will cost you 30,000 British pounds, or around 40,000 US dollars. Yes, it's ridiculous, but it's a system clearly made for a very select few millionaires who are really into gaming, and for them, this money might just be pocket change anyway. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could like the video, subscribe, and tell your friends to help get this channel off the ground. Thanks, and see you next time.